Alright.
Lighting up!
So, you have to mine this thing actually out. It's going to open 2 portals, and we're just going to spawn a bunch of guys. Once they die, it leaves a little acid pool. You could probably just zip around and annoy them. The event ends once we kill the portal itself, or the crystal itself. Yeah.
Lock and load! Force bomb incoming!
Kill all the bugs after?
Yep. Yep. Yeah, these guys are right bastards.
IFT!
Why is it?
Slow down, please!
That was huge. Oh, I'm down. Do I have Iron Will? I don't have Iron Will. Oh, what have I done? I thought I had Iron Will.
Watch me fly!
Steve is just going to town on me.
Slowing down traffic!
You're insane.
I ordered a resupply! Over here by the market!
Oh!
Launching now.
Why can't we damage the stone right now?
We have to break the rest of it. It's being held on by like a thread. Yeah.
Resupply pod is here! Everybody get ammunition!
Whack-a-mole!
Yeah! Give me some sugar! Bunch of
Supplies
slowpokes!
down.
Getting supplies!
Yeah.
Taking some of the ammo.
That's how to kill him so I can actually get to the dang thing. How is it still holding on? It's ridiculous. There it is. Do not recommend it. What am I doing? I have a stupid shield. Oh, I don't play Gunner often enough.
Speed limit set to slow! Booyah!
Why can't I throw it down? 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 There's a safety bubble around it. If you can get to it. There we go.
I'm not one of them, you knobhead!
No! Just focus on killing it, and then,
Oh, I'm out of here!
Rogue Lights have prepared me for that.
yeah, don't get me for a sec. There's gonna be that acid.
Sending in a retrieval pod for the
Do you know how
cornerstone.
fast I would have
Highest
thrown myself
priority
into
miners.
traffic?
Oh, I believe it. Alright, we're good now.